These questions were very, very popular for a hot second with these Regents exams. They haven't been back lately, but there's still something I like to talk about when we're reviewing. So we've got BD right there. All right. And then it says we've got AC is a 5 and CE is a 3. All right. So now we might be looking at this like, what the heck would I even do with this? Which I get because it's an odd thing. But two tangents have to be equal to each other. All right. Which means that AC and CB have to be the same. Those two tangents from the same point to the same circle have to be equal. All right, then it's the same thing with CD and CE. Those have to be the same. All right, because I have two pairs of equal parts, I know that AE has to be equal to BD because of the addition property. Okay, so I know that that has to be true. So what I know is that AE is 56, and I also know it has this ratio. All right, and we've talked about ratios before. All right, it means that 5 parts and 3 parts make up that. So there's 8 parts in that thing. So 56 divided by 8 is 7. All right, which means each part is 7. All right, it says how long is CD? Well, CD is from here to here. I got to be playing a few more games with this. That's the same as BE. So CD is equal to BE. All right, that's not written at all legibly because two tangents are equal when they come to the same circle. All right, BE, that's not BE. It's CE, sorry. I've got stuff scribbled every place. It's CE. CD and CE are the same. Okay, CE is 3 parts. So 3 times 8, 3 times 7. 21. All right, so my final answer is 21. Sorry, I got a little goofy there at the end, trying to stumble over my own words. But let me walk back through this again. So 56, we know it's that because of the addition property. AE and BD have to be the same. We know there's 8 parts total because there's 5 parts and 3 parts for 8 parts. We know each part is 7 because 56 divided by 8 gives me a 7. All right. We then know CD and CE are the same. We already had figured that out. CE is 3 parts, so 3 times 7 is 21. All right. It's a very complex problem, and that's why we talk about these kind of towards the end of review because there's so much going on in this one problem that's not worth a lot of points. All right. It's not worth a lot of credit for us.